Hello friends, welcome back to my Busy Math channel. Today I am going to discuss about the important topics on blood physiology. Important topics on blood physiology, long answers. First question is, name the clotting factors with the help of schematic diagram and explain the mechanism of important bleeding disorders. First you need to name the clotting factors, what are the clotting factors, and draw the diagram and explain the mechanism of the important bleeding disorders. Second question is, define homeostasis and explain the intrinsic and extrinsic pathways. First you need to write the definition of homeostasis, then explain detail about both the pathways which are involved in clotting mechanism, that is the intrinsic pathway and extrinsic pathway. Third question is, describe the process of coagulation of blood. Write a note on fibrinolytic system. First you describe how the coagulation of blood is taking place, the whole process, and then write a short note on about the fibrinolytic system. Fourth question is, describe the blood groups and their significance. What is the importance of Rh factors? So this is also one of the important question. Describe all the blood groups, A, B, O blood groups, and how they are important, and what is the importance of Rh factors. Last question is, what is hemoglobin and what are its function? What factors are required for its formation, and discuss the catabolism of hemoglobin. First write what is hemoglobin, the definition, and what role does hemoglobin play, what are its functions, and factors which are required to form the hemoglobin, and then write how hemoglobin is breakdown in our body, that is its catabolism. Short answers. First question is PCV, that is packed cell volume, and its diagnostic importance. First write the definition, then write its importance. Second question is, describe the various steps of erythropoiesis, factors affecting it. First write the definition of erythropoiesis. Remember that we should start our answer with definition. So write erythropoiesis definition, then write its steps, and write the factors which are affecting it. Erythropoietin is the next question, and the next question is, fate of hemoglobin of damaged RBC. If RBC is get damaged, then what is the fate of hemoglobin? You need to describe. Classify anemias and their causes. In this also, first write the definition of anemias, then classify it, then write its causes. Then hemolytic jaundice. Define ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Mention the clinical significance and its values. Landsteiner's law. This is also an important question. Abnormalities of hemoglobin synthesis. What are the abnormalities associated with hemoglobin synthesis? You need to write on that. Functions of lymph. Effects of incompatible blood transfusion. If the blood transfusion is incompatible, then what are the effects are going to take place? Write all effects. Clinical importance of blood groups. Erythroblastosis fetalis. This is also a Rh incompatibility. Write a note on hemophilia and mechanism of inheritance. So in this also, first write hemophilia, then explain some points on hemophilia, then write its mechanism of inheritance. Anticoagulants. Functions of plasma proteins. In this also, first write definition, then write the functions of plasma proteins. Functions of spleen, T lymphocyte. So these are the important questions on blood physiology which can be asked in your university exams. If you like my video, then please share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so whenever I post new video you will get the update.